Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You want a stable canvas, so start by cleaning the lids and patting a pea-size primer where the fold meets the lid. This reduces transfer and helps shadow stay. Next, apply a thin concealer layer to even tone and immediately set with a small amount of translucent powder to prevent shifting. If you struggle to see the fold, place a small piece of tape or imagine a guideline slightly above the lash line to map where the shadow should sit. Once your base is set, pick a matte mid-tone and work it into the faux crease with a small fluffy brush using windshield wiper motions. This builds a new, visible depth for hooded lids. Make sure to press a slightly darker shade into the outer V to lift and sculpt the eye. This creates the illusion of a higher crease. Then, blend the edges softly and apply a light shimmer or matte on the mobile lid to reflect light and make the eye read larger. Finish by tightlining and drawing a short, thin wing that follows the new crease. This keeps liner from disappearing into the lid. Curl your lashes and apply a lengthening mascara, focusing at the roots to open the eye, or add individual lashes on the outer third for lift. If you find shadow creasing or transferring, make sure to use less product, reprime the area, or try a cream-to-powder formula. These steps fix common problems without starting over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.